Welcome to Heyner TV. In this video, we will show you how to change front wiper blades on Alfa Romeo Mito. Squeeze the little tabs on the side of the clip. Detach the old wiper. Prepare pinch tab clip. Open the head of the clip. Slide the clip on the wiper arm. Close the head. Attach the new wiper. Click. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Remove the old wiper by squeezing the tabs of the clip. Open the adapter head. Place it on the arm. Close the head of the adapter. Attach the new wiper. Click. Job done. Please leave us a like if you found this video helpful.